Hey, so I just wanted to show you this real quick. On Friday we sold three houses. This is one of the three houses we sold. And I usually like to take a look at the Zestimate after we sell the house. And it's 9 times out of 10 substantially inaccurate. But this right here, 660 sold. We sold at 660, as you see, yesterday, Friday. And the Zestimate was 484. Some homeowners are going based off of 484, or whatever that case may be. You hire the right agent, and there's compensating factors that Zillow does not take into consideration when they're coming up with their little algorithm. They're looking at 2,200 square foot properties and all that good stuff. So when you punch in your address, it doesn't necessarily mean you're getting an accurate number. So again, hire the right realtor. It's funny, right?